Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ShannonAshley here, and today I'm going to be sharing all of my product empties with you guys over the past few months or so. Pretty much I've been using these throughout 2020. Finally excited to have some empty products because it means I've been using them. I may or may not have enjoyed them, but I got through them. There's nothing like getting through products that you bought. If you're excited for this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed, and let's just get started. Okay, so the very first product I have is the Wetline Extreme Gel. This is the clear one. I want to try the blue one, but I haven't seen it around. I've been buying this gel for the past year or so since I discovered it here on the tube. And I do like it a lot for curl definition, but as far as like sleeking the hair down into the ponytail, this doesn't do it for me. I need that green bottle of Eco Styler. But for curl definition and when I just braid my hair down, I love this. So to be honest, I already purchased a new one. I just wanted to share with you guys. Like, it's very affordable, gets the job done if you're trying to get your little curls to pop or just braid it down. Highly recommend this. Only $3 or $4. So if you try it, don't like it, you didn't break the bank, but it's not gonna lay your hair down. Period. Next, we have this Jane Carter Healthy Hair Revive and Repair Hair Mask. I got this for $6 at Marshall's and it was okay. I think one of the main ingredients in here, it is coconut oil. And I don't know how I feel about coconut oil in my hair. I do feel like it kind of leaves like this like cast kind of, so not a fan of this. Can't say I'd be repurchasing it. The texture of it was very like thick and masky, which I appreciated, but I didn't see like a significant like ooh la la with my hair while I was using it. I remember staring at this product in the shower a lot and I was like, oh, I just gotta use it, I want to get rid of it. But yeah, now that it's gone, I'm happy. Won't be repurchasing, but glad I tried it. Okay, next we have this Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 minute hair mask. This is the avocado extract one. When I first got this, I really like these as just a conditioner, not a deep conditioner. I still think they're good. The texture of it is very like slippery, so it has like a really good slip, but you're not going to get that like deep conditioner feel out of it. Like it's not like the Aussie 3-minute miracle. It's nothing like that. It's very like liquidy wet. So I do think this is good as a conditioner, but not so much like for that deep conditioner for my hair. Okay, next we have the Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. This I really wanted to like, but I just could not get with it. I already bought another bottle though, just to like give it another try, because I like that idea of don't shrink, because your girl has a lot of shrinkage. I've been hearing that the purple one is actually better than this, so I have both and I've been like playing around with them when I'm braiding my hair down, but I just could not fall in love with this to the extent of more than like Eco Styler. So with the second bottle, I'll play around with it and see if there's any changes, but as of right now, I'm just kind of just not obsessed with this, even though I already repurchased it. So to be determined on this one. Another thing about gel, you guys, is I like when my gel is like really thick, almost like not sticky, but like custardy kind of. So when I get these gels, I literally like just leave the top off for a day or two, over how long, and that's when I really start to like the gel. But maybe I didn't do that enough with this, so I don't know. Let me know if you guys think that's weird, if you guys do that too, but I don't like watery gel for my hair. My hair likes a little bit more of like texture. Okay, last hair product. I actually think I have one more, but I might have just dumped it in the trash, but I'll still talk about it after this. This is the Curl Drench by Jane Carter. It is a cleansing co-wash. I got it for $8 at TJ Maxx. And again, this is like another conditioner or coconut oil based product, which I'm not sure I'm obsessed with. It didn't do anything crazy for my hair. It didn't do anything bad to my hair. It just, I wasn't wowed by it. I thought I was. No, she has another like buttery product that I really liked. But yeah, this Curl Drench I would not repurchase personally, just because it didn't really wow my hair. But I got through it, which I'm so excited about. So cheers to becoming less and less of a product junkie. This is almost empty. This is the Garnier Fructis Hydrating Treat Shampoo. I have a video of me using this to wash my hair. This does have sulfates in it, but it's like a natural sulfate. I don't like that it has sulfates in it because my hair doesn't really like sulfates, but I actually like this for like washing my wigs. It smells so good. So I would, if you don't mind sulfates, I would try this, but it's not really like hydrating enough for my hair for shampoos that don't have sulfates. So I wouldn't repurchase this for my natural hair, but maybe for when I wash my wigs. This conditioner though was terrible. And I don't want to like come out and just be like terrible, but that I would not repurchase. Like, so if you were gonna buy this and wanted to do a conditioner with it, I would totally skip the regular conditioner and do these two. Just a heads up, because I know sometimes when you're in the store and you're like, is this gonna be good, is this not gonna be good? All depends on your hair too. What I like you might hate, and what you love I might not like. So my just review would be to pick up the shampoo and the hair mask and just skip the conditioner. And that's kind of where I'm going at with life anyways, is that I don't want to use so much conditioner. I want to use more deep conditioner to enhance my curl pattern. And yeah, moving on, now that we are done with the hair products, let's talk a little bit about skin. If you guys have been here for a minute, you guys know I love my Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. This is the lavender one. This is the very first one I've ever tried, and it just smells so good. Like, I really need to go re-up it. I was waiting for TJ Maxx to have it, but I'm just gonna have to go buy it from Target. I kind of want to get one that doesn't have a scent though, like the baby one, so I might do that. 10 out of 10 recommend this. Always have some Castile soap in your arsenal. I use this on everything, anything and everything, period. Love me some Dr. Bronner's. Another skin thing is this Soap and Glory face soap. Okay, this is the Soap and Glory 3-in-1 Daily Detox Vitamin C Facial Wash. I wanted to love this product so much because like the little beads are so cute and the marketing they do for it is so cute. And I think eventually I could have gotten there. No, I couldn't, because I've had this product in my shower for a very long time. I started to use it on my skin to exfoliate because it just wasn't doing it with my face. I was like, this is just not it. It smells really, really good. I love the beads in it. But I will say, first of all, when you try it, the scent is very like cleanser, like cleaning cleanser. So that's like a little much. But once you get used to that, it smells good. It's just, I could not get into this for my face. There's just something about it where it wasn't really making a difference in my skin. But I'm going to finish using it on my body just because I have it and it's exfoliator. I wanted to like this so bad, but it's just not my friend. If you guys have tried this and like it, let me know. I was sad that I did not like this one. So next thing for skin is sunscreen. I have talked about sunscreen pretty extensively on this channel. I've only had 2 videos, but I feel like Black people need to wear sunscreen. That is just me. I don't know how you guys feel, but this is my favorite sunscreen ever because it leaves your skin looking so shiny and just beautiful. I recently learned that this bottle is terrible for the environment, so that kind of makes me sad, but I'm probably still gonna buy it. I know. So this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist Sunscreen SPF 45. I just love how this makes my skin look, and I love how easy it is to apply and get it all over, rub it in, super easy. But as far as just like looking good, this is good, but I'm just so conflicted. I'm not the biggest environment person, but just like knowing, whatever. I drive a gas car, so that is that. But yeah, this is amazing. I just ranted for no reason, so we're gonna go on to the next product. Okay, I don't have too many makeup products, and this one actually isn't empty yet. If you guys been here, you know Airspun powder is pretty much all I use. I do have a few other powders. Maybe I'll show you guys my powder collection, and you guys can recommend me some new ones because I do want to try something other than Airspun, but Airspun has always just been so good to me and my oily skin that I just like can't separate it from it. But there's still a little bit in here, but we're running low. This is the color Suntan, so it's not as white as the other ones. But I do love this Airspun powder. I will always repurchase it. It will always be a favorite unless I find something better. So if you guys want to help me out in the comments, just drop a comment and let me know your favorite setting powder. Next, we have this L'Oreal Voluminous Million Lashes. This one, I think I liked when I first started using it, but I wasn't wowed by it, and I never really found myself reaching for it. So I probably won't be repurchasing this. You guys know I love my Essence mascara a lot, and I also love the Maybelline Falsies, so I would pick that up again. I would pick those up again before this one. I do really like the brush on here though. I think it's great at separating. Might just have to give this one another try. I did make a video on this. I don't think it's public, but I will drop it in the comment or in the description box if you guys want to see that video. Love the packaging, just not the biggest fan of the mascara because I have found better mascaras that you don't have to force it. Okay, and then the last one, you guys, is this Nature Bounty's Hair, Skin, and Nails. I'm going to do a complete vitamin regimen update soon, so stay tuned for that video. These are the truth, you guys. These make your hair grow. I just like... And the thing is about these is it doesn't just make the hair on your head grow, it makes your hair everywhere grow. So that's how you know it works. Like, I have to pluck my eyebrows more, like touch up on facial grooming and stuff. My leg hair was growing out of control. My armpit hair was growing out of control. I haven't straightened my hair with these yet, so I can't give you guys like a length check update, but these really work for your hair. My nails are actually really stronger too. And as far as the skin goes, I have noticed I've had less breakouts with these. I completely stopped taking vitamins for a week, and I felt like a huge difference in my mood, in my energy. That's my dog snoring, by the way. And I also had like a tiny breakout when I wasn't taking my vitamins. So I don't know if it was the food I was eating or stress, whatever, but I can say I do feel a difference when I don't have my vitamins. And I wasn't taking them because I ran out of them, so I just had to re-up on them. But definitely recommend these if you guys are looking like this could be your beauty supplement, because it's good, it's very affordable, and it's pretty consistent. All right, you guys, so that is it for my product Empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm excited that this video is over because I can finally throw some of this stuff in the trash. I'll try to get another one of these videos out by the end of the year. I really like to just take my time and go through products and see if I actually like them before just like doing these every month, because truth be told, I don't get through my products that quickly, especially with, you know, everything that's going on right now, because sometimes I just wash my face, do the skincare, and go. But I will try to get better at making these empty videos, especially if you guys like them. And yeah, that's it. Comment below letting me know what you guys want to see next. Stay tuned for that vitamin video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.